So let me speak to the buzzword of our times, trauma and trauma healing, or trauma-informed care. For 20 years before this was ever interesting, I was fascinated, personally fascinated, because I had my own traumas to heal. And then when I found the things that worked for me, I began to gather up so much more trauma-informed work that I feel like I want to say, so you think you're a trauma therapist? Well, come spend a week with me doing psychomotor and we'll become the world's best trauma therapist, because this is the technique that works. What Peso discovered is that alongside the traumatic memories that we have, we can insert new symbolic and real memories beside them, and we can begin to operate in our belief structure from these new memories of being met and seen, having our unmet needs met, but also not being intruded. I cannot explain how healing it is to have a felt sense of experience of the idea that there is a place for you, that you belong, that there is a space for you, and that it will be respected. You will not be abandoned and you will not be intruded. That you can absolutely use your energy and your life for filling out the space in which you belong. It's the most profound form of trauma healing. What's different from other trauma healing, and I've done a lot of training and a lot of it is good, but what's different about this technique is instead of us taking into the deepest, darkest, hardest places and somehow trying to recover from that, we accept those places, we accompany them, but we actually insert beside them new beliefs, new feelings, that don't require those memories, and allow us to heal and to move forward with this beautiful sense that we are unbroken, that we belong, that we deserve not to be intruded, that we deserve to be accompanied, and that we are born to be ourselves.